Hello, this is Trevor. Today we're working on an authentication lab in PortSwigger's Web Security Academy. It is offline password cracking. Lab stores the user's password hash in a cookie. User's password hash in a cookie. The lab also contains an XSS vulnerability comment. So we need to grab Carlos's stay logged in cookie and then crack his password, log in as Carlos, and delete his account. So we have our own credentials, and then we have the victim's name. Okay. All right, well, crap. Let's give it a shot. Please remember to like and subscribe. Leave a comment. Let me know how I'm doing. I would appreciate it. First thing I want to do is log in as Wiener Peter. Take a look at the stay logged in cookie to see, what we were able to do. It sounds like, I don't know. So let's do Wiener Peter. Let's look at stay logged in. So it's this. Isn't this, did I? It looks like I did this one, offline password cracking. Okay. So we do the same thing, and it looks like as yesterday's. It's MD5 so it's Wiener : the password MD5 hashed. So we're going to do the same steps as we did yesterday, except for this time we need to get the cookie first by XSS, and then we can crack it offline and then use that to access my account and then delete his account. That's what I think we're going to do. Okay. So the first step is to deliver some. We have an exploit server. So we may be able to do this without collaborator. Because it said it's in the comments. So if we go here to access log, and then we go here and do, let's just try something basic. Name blah blah at blah.com. Post that. See if we get, we do. Okay, so we're just going to do script. And then our script's going to do fetch. We'll get this URL. Back to exploit server. Sure. Fetch this plus, we'll do this plus document.cookie, like that, right? I mean, let's try it. So we should have executed our own. Let's do inspect console. Yeah, we couldn't read it, but it looks like it worked. So let's go to log. We can't open link, new tab. Dang it. I didn't want that one. Access log. This is what I want. So copy here. go down there. Secret. Ah, look at that. That must be Carlos's. Yep. So we've got his stay logged in cookie right here. Nice. Let's start writing up our script. So this will be a combination of what we've done before, but Python utils create script. Let's go here and here. Go home. Copy. There. Come on. I should figure out a way to get this put into the clipboard automatically. That's next up. So over here we want Vim offline. So what's our steps? We need to get Carlos's stay cookie. Let's just call it that. Even though, okay, yeah. Get Carlos's cookie. So to do that, we submit XSS payload pointing to exploit server. And then we read stay logged in cookie from exploit logs. Once we have the cookie, we will base 64 decode cookie split by colon, take second part. That will be just the password hash digest. And then we can do loop through passwords and check if equal. Once a password is found, log in as Carlos, delete account, check if solved. That's what we got to do. All right, so let's start with get Carlos's cookie. We need so we're going to create let's call it a post ID equals, we'll start with 1. I don't think that's where view post, I'm looking at the bottom, that's 2, so that's fine. And we also need to get the exploit URL. We have some stuff in our XSS payloads. Sorry, I don't know. The dogs. What do we have? We've done a lot of this stuff before when we were doing cross-site scripting. We can do site post comment, get response, post exploit. Oh no, it's in blog, isn't it? Post comment, there it is, right there. All right, we need to build a payload, and then we're gonna do blog.post comment, and to post the comment we need post ID, and then it'll be in the comment. Post ID comment equals payload. We don't need the response, we don't care about that. Once we've done that, we'll time.sleep for 1 second to give import time, our exploited chance to work. Then we'll go and extract from the exploit, get email log, get exploit log. It's going to be this. So that's, and then we want blog.get exploit log. I don't think we don't need anything. This will be a resp. We'll go to here and then we'll extract the cookie. That's what we want to do first. So payload will be just like I did before, script. I want fetch the exploit URL. Get, is there get exploit URL? Blog, fetch, let's do, crap. We're going to have to do f boom blog.get exploit URL. That should return, yep, just the URL. Where is it? Oh, it's right there. Yep. That looks good. And then we want question mark and then plus document.cookie. This needs to be in quotes. We want double quotes here, so I'm going to have to do the other part in single quotes. Document.cookie, that looks good. And fetch end script. The single quote needs to be on the outside. There's our payload, right? Where's that? Yep. That looks good. So we'll comment that, we'll sleep a second, and then we'll get the exploit log. We'll take a look at that. Log.debug resp.text. And then we'll extract the stay logged in cookie. Let's check how that works. I'm going to change this now so I don't forget because I don't want to do a post of the same thing. And type is not subscriptable. What is this? Getting a response from post. So when we're trying to post the comment, commenting on post 1, session. Oh, great. This is in blog. Post comment. Session equals none. Our stored. So this is boom. Set cookies equals session. Session if session, else session token. Self.get session CSRF. So did that work? We don't have a... Where did it fail? It failed on blog 43. Right here. Session. And get... Why don't I... Session... Give it the session... Well, it's because I don't have one. But we did... What did we do here? Did we do any gets? Yeah. We should have a session. Blog. Payload. No, we don't. All right. I guess it's time to fix this. If session cookies. Else that session token equals response.cookies.get session. So let's proxy HTTP history. So why wasn't that here? Oh, it's looking for a CSRF. Do I not need CSRF on this post? Leave comment. No CSRF needed. All right, so here we're going to try this, except we'll accept none or type error. Type, come on, Trevor, type error. And we'll CSRF token equals none. All right, let's see if that will get us further. Hey, it looks like that worked. So this is ordered the most recent on the bottom. And there's our victim right here. So we need to extract that text from here. And we've done that before. That was on site. We've got a bunch of extract ones. Get response right here, like extract text that we can use. I don't think that this is static. We also have some of this work done in XSS. Unfortunately, I don't know where. Capturing passwords? No. I could grep for, let's do that. cd grep.r get exploit. What was it? Log. Okay. Oh, we did a bunch in cores. And actually none in XSS, so I'm glad I looked. So let's close files that we don't need open, which is site for now. We'll reopen it in a minute, but let's go to cores and look at network pivot attack. Okay. Get exploit log. There we go. This is what I want. Pattern. And I want find all, because I'm going to get the last one. I don't think I've done that before, but let's do this here. Import RE. So this pattern looks for an IP address that starts with 10.0 and then has any two subnets after it. Oh, crap. I think this doesn't capture enough. Like this is more like what we want. So anyone that starts with 10.0 and has a question mark, let's say. And the reason I'm not putting secret is because the cookies may be, the order I don't think is always rock solid. So if I just end it with a question mark, then I'll get ones that start with 10, 0, and have a question mark in it. What if I do victim? I could do that too. So we're just capturing whatever. Anything after it in the space. Uh-oh, I don't think we're capturing enough. Sorry, my dog. So, asterisk question mark. I don't think we're capturing enough. That's going to be like the time. I don't know, we have a question mark. So the first question mark after will be this. And it'll capture until we get a space, which will be here. Okay, that will work. Except for here, instead of search, I want to do, I'm pretty sure it's Python regex find all. Control F, find all that. And we will get in return a list of just the capturing groups. I'm not sure what we'll get yet. So let's just try this. Change word, find all. And then we'll do log.debug m. See where we're at there. CD authentication. Sorry about the dog. There we go. Yeah, we got exactly what we want. So we're going to take the last one of here and say that's the cookies. Cookies string equals m minus 1. That'll be the last one, right? And then we need to split this up. We got a %20, so we can regex. Let's do that. Let's do another pattern equals re.compile r, and we want stay dash log dash in equals, and then we'll do dot asterisk question mark to there and have it be a single quote, either a single quote or a semicolon. We'll stop that. Pattern equals that, m equals pattern dot what do we want? We want, what's find? I want search. Scan through string, link for the first location with a regex pattern produce match. Okay, so we'll do search, or we want pattern. Dang it. Match. No, we want search. Pattern not search. And to do that, we need to give it the pattern, string, and any flags. So the pattern string will be cookies, string, no flags, log.debug m1. This should be the stay logged in cookie. Dang it, string. It was string object cannot be interpreted as an integer. Oh, crap. Pattern.search. I wonder if that's what I did wrong. No, I definitely did something Log debug. None taught. Dang it. Search. Oh. I need to do re.search. That? I did so many of these regex searches in the beginning that now... What the crap? Log.debug. Cookies. str. This. So, and we're searching for stay-logged-in equals is not subscriptable. Oh my gosh. Do I really have to look back to figure out how I used to do this? Oh, I can look in extract text. In fact, I can just use extract text here. So utils, site, extract text, pattern.search, the text. Well, whatever. We're going to do cookie string. We're going to do blog.extract text. The pattern will be what we have here. And this will return STC, stay logged in, STIC. Stay dang it. STIC, stay logged in cookie. All right. Compy or log.debug STIC. Gosh. Seemingly simple stuff is tripping me up right now. Let's self pattern text. Cookies string. None. Could not find pattern in text. Why not? Stay dash LOGT dash IN equals. Oh, because there's no freaking single quote. Damn it. And I don't think this is going to work. Nope. What if I do a $sign there? Or I include, that worked. $sign worked. Perfect. I'm sticking with that. Okay, we got a stay logged in cookie. So I'm going to delete this. Get Carlos's cookie. Done. Submit XSS. Did base 64. So base 64.b64 decode. STIC.encode. I can't remember. We did this in the stay logged in. Which one was that? The one we did yesterday, which was this one, brute forcing. So let's do like we do there. Decode. Def decode cookie. Cookie. And we're going to do the same stuff, just in a different order. So we'll start with this one. Base 64. Decode. I don't think we need to encode this cookie. Import base 64. Decoded equals this. We're going to split. So hashed equals decoded dot split on the colon. We're going to take the second part, which is that, and then return hash. So here we should get hashed hex digest equals decode cookie and then hashed like that. Oh no, changing words, stick. Okay, log.debug hex digest. Let's see how far we've gotten. Hey, that looks good. All right, now we're going to def MD5 hash password. We're going to do the same that we did. I'm going to close site and close this one. We're going to do this. Let's do we all, or just return hashed? Let's import hash lib, import hash lib. We need to loop through for the passwords. We can do the same. Did there. Boom. For password in passwords, we need to create a hash. So MD hash equals MD5 hash password if hashed equals hex digest log.debug f password is password, and then Carlos password equals, we'll do none. I'm going to put that up here so that as we loop through right here, we'll do Carlos password equals password. Make sure we save that off. And then we want break to not go through the rest. Here, let's put this here. And change word Carlos password. Okay. Boom, boom, boom. This is where we are. Okay, let's run that. See if we can get Carlos' password. If we do, we'll log in as Carlos and then delete the account. Crap. Password is none. What? We did something wrong. Okay. Secret. So Y2F. This should be that. Let's boom, boom, boom. Pattern, find all cookie string. I'm probably have some decode maybe. Hex digest. So let's do log dot debug f Carlos hashed password hex digest. Terrible names. Do yourself a favor and use better better names. Hashed equals, we're gonna log this for now. F hashed password hashed, and then we'll check if they're equal. I wonder if it's something to do here. Log.debug found it, something like that. It doesn't look that bad. You know what we can do is we can take this and go back to crack station. And see if we're on the right track, I guess. Once upon a time. So, can we not use passwords once? That password is not in here. Oh, that's some BS. Fine. I'm going to add it once upon time. So they must intend for us to use something like one of the password crackers. Now let's see if we can find it. And of course I put it at the very end. So it'll be the very last one. Found it. There we go. All right. This was offline something. There we go. Password is boom. Once password is found, log in. So blog.login Carlos password. And then we need to figure out how to delete the count. Let's go. Once we log in, we can just my account. See if there's any. What is this? Inspect. It's a form, so we need a post, and there's no CSRF. So once we log in, we're gonna get resp cookies equals that, and then we're gonna do if blog.no proxy resp equals requests.post. The URL is blog.base URL plus, what was it? my-count/delete. So my-account/delete. We don't need anything. Nope. Just a post there with cookies equals cookies else. And we're going to do the same thing. add in proxies equals utils dot proxies verify equals false. Boom. And then check if solved. Blog dot is solved. I'm gonna not log this hash password anymore. Where's that? Right here. Okay, let's solve it. And then we've finished this one, so what? It must have been our post. Are you sure? So we need a password and then delete account. So this is a form with a password. And where does it go? It goes to IT delete account delete, the import type of password. Can we skip this? I wonder, like this, are you sure? What if we put in the body? So right here, data equals, let's try it. It will be named password. Carlos password. And then here we'll put data equals data. I'm just trying this. See if we can skip that are you sure altogether. Yeah, worked. Sweet. That was this one. 302. Boom. We solved it. Let's go home. Get our banner. Awesome. So just to recap, we used XSS to exfil Carlos's stay logged in cookie. Once we had that, we brute forced the password offline. We used CrackStation actually just to find it and then added it to our list so that the script would work, and then logged in as Carlos, posted to delete his account, and then check if it was solved. That's it. If you have any questions, let me know. Otherwise, I'll see you in the next one. Thank you so much. Goodbye.